Hi, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, bringing you another law of attraction metaphysical lesson. Today I want to speak to you about how to change your life for the new year. Again, how to change your life for the new year. This is a question that many people right now are asking. Many people are seeking answers to how they can change their life for the new year, especially in December as we get ready to approach an up and coming new year. Many people make their resolutions, whatever it is that they're doing, but this is a question that plagues a lot of people. So some people will enter it happy and other people might enter it a little confused, worried, not knowing how they're going to get to where they want to be. So this video was created just for those people out there that are trying to make a change for the new year. And if you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, please hit that bell, because all my videos from here up into the new year will be on how to make a change in your life. So let's start. A lot of people look at the external to make a change in their lives, when actually everything that you need, everything that you desire comes from within. I tell people, do not look at other people for assistance when it comes down to changing your life. Look at the God within, the God that is inside of you, to be your supplier of what it is that you need to make this change. That is one of the most important things that I can say right now. Because if you are looking to make a change in your life and you're not starting off with yourself, you already took 5 steps back, if not 10. The change you seek is within inside of you. Okay? So now, what would I do if I wanted to make a change for the new year? Number one, as I just stated, is seeking the God within you for any type of change that you are desiring. Okay. Second, I would start by making a list of what it is that's working for you and what it is that's not working for you. Okay? Listen, people, you cannot say, I'm going to make a change and still try to hold on to the things that you know you need to let go. So the first step in doing that is acknowledging what is working well and what is not. What is it that you need to take into the new year and what is it that you don't? You need to leave that baggage back in the old year and not take it into the new year. That's one of the steps that I would take if I'm trying to make a change and I'm very serious about it. Now, I want to take it back to a metaphysical answer to your question. Now, as I told people, if you watch my other videos on manifesting, you know I always tell you, as within, so without. You have to change the way you are inside in order to change your environment on the outside. So how are we going to do that for the new year? First, let's start by watching your thoughts. People, it is so important that you watch your thoughts. It's not only what you say. It's not only what you do. It's those hidden thoughts that you think no one knows what you're thinking. The God within you knows everything. Those thoughts that you have in your head are being heard by the Creator. The Creator is what is going to give you what you desire and what you are trying to manifest. Those thoughts can either make you or break you. It can attract to you positive things into your life, or it can attract negative things into your life. Now, once you understand that the Creator inside of you, it's who is going to give you what you want, and understand that It's those hidden thoughts and feelings that is creating your life. You are well on your way. Okay? So now, what I want to say is, entering the new year, we all got to take more responsibility for what we are harboring in our minds. If you want a better job, you need to watch how you're speaking about your present job or how you're speaking about your current situation. If you want a nice relationship, how do you plan to attract love if you don't even have the love inside of you for yourself? Those thoughts is going to create your life. So stepping into the new year, if you don't do anything, watch those thoughts. Now, moving forward, we talked about the God within. We talked about controlling those thoughts. We're halfway on our way. The next thing I would tell you to do is, what is your plan? What is it that you desire? Have you taken time to write down exactly what it is that you want? Exactly what you think your life should be? Until you are very clear about what it is you're trying to attract into your life, you will not attract it. You might attract something similar, and then it might not work for you because you weren't really specific about what it is that you really wanted. I'm telling you, in order for you to be a deliberate creator, you have to know exactly what it is that you want. Now listen, there is room for change. There's room to alter, make alterations with what it is you're trying to create. But the thing is, it shouldn't be A and the next year B, C, and D. You should be on your path because you should basically know what you want. And if you have to make some changes along the way, that's okay. So what I'm asking you, so that you're not wasting your time, is to sit down, relax, and figure out what it is that you want. Now, once you know your sources inside of you, once you know your thoughts and your feelings are creating your life, once you know what it is that you are desiring, the next thing I would tell you to do is take action. Get out there and take action. I tell people this all the time. I don't know where it is written. Like, why is it people think they don't have to do anything and the law of attraction is just going to bring whatever it is to them? Listen, you're watching my channel, and I want to let you know that is not how I think. Things may come to you, and you may think that you didn't take any steps, but you did. I had someone write me and say, well, I got a job. Somebody just came in. I got the job and they gave it to me. You had to put the information out there that you were needing a job in order for the job to find you. When I say take action, I mean, hey, look, if you're looking for that job, put in 10 resumes. Go to each and every interview, if you get it or not. Listen, at least you'll know what they're expecting, if that job was for you, and something else might open up for you that you didn't even expect. Because the God that's inside of you can only work through you with what you give. The next thing I would say is visualization, people. You have to envision what it is that you want. What is it that you want? In order for you to visualize what you want, you have to know what you want. So we're going back again. Once you do know what you want to sit down, spend 5 minutes, quiet your mind, get everybody out of the room, and just sit there and visualize yourself being actually in the life that you desire. Whatever it is, I want you to visualize as if you are that particular person, actually living their experience. The next thing that I would do is the mirror work, people. Listen, if you're trying to make a change for the new year, you need the change within yourself. Don't laugh at this technique because it is powerful. You need to step into the new year, a new you, with forgiveness, letting go of regret, past failures, past relationships. You need to do the mirror work, which you can watch one of my other videos on mirror work. It is very powerful. If you haven't watched it, believe me, go back and watch it, please. Mirror work is going to allow you to release whatever it is that's inside of you that is blocking you from getting what it is that you desire. Now listen, by me knowing what it is that I desire, I'm already on the way. By watching my thoughts, getting rid of those negative thoughts and replacing them with thoughts of manifesting what it is I'm trying to create, I'm really on the way. Now listen, action, action, action. You cannot step into a new year and not make plans to do something. God can only work through you with what you give it. If you're lying in the bed eating popcorn, watching TV all day, talking about you want to start a business, it's not going to work. I want a new job, but I don't want to do a resume. It's not going to work. Listen, people, you have to take action. I've been saying this for the last couple of years. If you watch any of my videos, it's action, action, action. So now listen, we're stepping into the new year. And this is just a quick video on what it is I have prepared for you for the coming year. We're going to talk about scripting. We're going to talk about visualization. We're going to talk about affirmations. We're going to talk about taking action. And we're going to enter the new year doing everything we need to do to make that change in our lives. So how do you make that change for the new year? By watching these videos. Listen, again, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you like this video, please like it, please subscribe, hit that bell because I'm bringing nothing but change your life videos all the way into the new year. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also buy crystals and metaphysical items at store.myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Listen, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. Namaste.